Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2000 Buick Park Avenue. Stock number is A6409A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Assurance tires. Inside, leather interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end, and taking a look inside of the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, you have cruise and audio controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a tape deck. You have climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Buick on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this at holidayautomotive.com.